Hi, this is Miss Keiko. Today's craft for kids is all about nature. Last night I was checking my backyard and I found flowers, colorful flowers, although it's toward the end of the season, so soon they will disappear. But I rescued some of them, and also I have a Baltic ivy. It's a vine on the fence. So I collected those, right? So I will show it to you. Two things I am going to do. One is very simple wreaths, and then the other one is little tiny flower arrangement. So easy, right? I'm going to show it to you first. Wreaths. Basically, when you find a vine, it can be grapevine too, like this. It's a matter of just making circles, okay? And like this. It does not look like a circle, that's okay too, okay? Of course, that's nature, all right? So, and then you can just, also like this, all right? It can be small, it can be bigger, okay? And you can just keep adding, make it thicker, all right? And then if you have a ribbons, you can tie it. You can tie also like this to hang. And let's see, something like this. All right, this is another one. Like this. Here, even here. There is honey. Okay? And you can use the floral wire to secure if you want it. Okay? But usually, if you are going to make number of vines, eventually it will just stay without using any other materials. Okay? This one, it's a little bit unstable, so I use ribbon, okay, to tie it. I can do it one more time here. Okay? Just temporarily. Okay? So it does not matter. It does not look very fancy. Okay? Like this way. Okay? Again, you can add it. Okay? Shall I add it? Just going like this. This. Like this. And especially I like something like this. It's so natural and so cute. Okay? So, very good. Okay? The other one is flowers. Okay? Flower arrangement. I will show you what I picked. Okay? There are so many mom plants I have in the backyard. Here. I just cut it very short. I have different colors. Very dark red, like this. Right? How about just the very last stage of petunia? Okay. The purple one. Okay. And look at this. This is actually honeysuckle. I just cut it. Okay. Like this. Beautiful colors. Okay. So what you can do is even small container that will work. Okay? I brought something like that, so small. Okay, just adding just a tiny flowers. It looks so cute. Okay. You don't do much. See? It's really cute. Alright, different colors. How about a little bit taller ones? Okay. Let's see. I think I brought here. I brought something taller. Here. Scissors here. But Nice, yes. Or I have a very small glass container like this. Okay, you can make arrangement like this. Even plate like this. You add the water. Make sure you add the water. Okay, and if the stem is too short, flowers will survive as long as water is there. So, like this, it's almost like a floating. It may be difficult to see it. Just put it in a flowers like this, in a plate. Okay. It's not necessary on the edge. You can put it inside. If you cannot see it from the edge, that's okay. Okay, something like this. Or add different colors. Okay. I even use just a flat plate like this. Like this. Okay. I'm going to put flowers. Water first and then flowers. I love fresh flowers inside. Okay? Not just backyard or front yard, but inside my home. I try to keep fresh flowers. It can be just leaves. Now, look at this. Is it beautiful? You can just put a little bit of water. Absolutely gorgeous. And then every other day or so, just add a little bit more water. Okay, make sure water is there. And look at this color and shape. Isn't this beautiful? The autumn is so beautiful. Okay. And mum plant. Another mum plant. Okay. So even flat one like this, you can make arrangement. Okay. So explore your backyard, okay, and enjoy making wreaths and a small flower arrangement. Right. And then sometimes I'm sure you go out walking with your family, just look around. Sometimes you can find sticks or vines or some wild flowers, right? That's all your materials to make your own craft. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful season and then enjoy leaves and trees and flowers and the birds. Okay? Yesterday I saw a beautiful bee. It's a very different kind of like yellow. I was very surprised. And still we have flowers, so still bees are there. So enjoy your nature, all right? And stay safe. Okay? Thank you very much for joining me and see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.